I'm Job Biaruhanga, District Agriculture Officer Masindi. We are here in the operation of impounding the mature green coffee in Masindi district. This is our first attempt and the operation will go on until when we come this vice.
Abakuru okurugo mu kitongole kya Uganda Coffee Development Authority nibakuraganira hamwe n'abakuru mu nyamasaza ya Masindi. Kino banagire ekikwekweto ekyamaani omagombora agakwawukana okukwata aba bantu abarukusisa omutindo ogw'omwani.
Emmwanyi zino ziguze naye nga bazindeetedde buleeti siza zigulidde wano ku sitoo.
Akaire kano bano bali omukalitango ak'okulinda omutindo ogw'ekirimwa eky'omwani kandi hati babiteekeiremu enkaito. Bano bakugamba omwani kiri ekirimwa ekirungi kandi bakwetaaga okurora nti omwani gwalindwa hamutindo ogw'amaani. Nibagamba nti abalimi baina okunoga omwani ogwezere kandi ogwengere oteiroho n'okugwanika rundi okugwahura kurungi.
Zibadde 10 zibadde wabula omwani ezo mbadde nakaziteeka mu miliyoni
kati olaba kuba nezino ne bozitwala ku kyuma sigenda kuvaamu
ngikira hali Job Biaruhanga akujunanizibwa na ebyokulimisa omunyamasaza eya Masindi. Agamba abalimi singa bakora bino byona ekirimwa eky'omwani nikija okuba n'akatale harulengo olwa haiguru.
We are here in the operation of impounding the mature green coffee in Masindi district. This is our first attempt and the operation will go on until when we come this vice in the district. My appeal to the businessmen who are doing this should stop it because they are spoiling the quality of our coffee and the quality and the price will fall down as they continue with this practice.
We akugwera engabwa ey'omwekulembezi ow'eihanga omunyamasaza ya Masindi tumwete deputy RDC byagagaine mbihebwa Longino agumize nti ogwo atahondere amateeka najja okujunanwa akana na katano.
Hati we have gone for operation where we want good quality of coffee, and where we have gone we have found the traders they are harvesting only even not green young coffee which is still young and green, others are rotten. So now this operation we are with Uganda Coffee Development Authority who have joined us on this operation to make sure that we show example other people who are trading such a coffee so that we try only quality, not quantity. Because the coffee they are trading is in poor quality. Most of them are so green.
Major Ondieyo Matuwa omusumikaniza ogwenteekaniza eya Operation Wealth Creation omubujenje county agambire nti ekikwekweto kino nikijja okugumizamu omuchweke bitali bimu na bimu okurora nti balinda omutindo ogw'omwani.
Today we have been in the field enforcing basic coffee standards as per the Coffee Act and the instructions given by my Commander-in-Chief that standards of coffee must be maintained up to international standards. So this is the operation we have been on. This is just the beginning, and this is just the beginning of the season. We expect to keep the tempo until we accomplish what is in the paper.
Halibuhikire obwire obwarwe bagyo abantu abakuhika basatu babaire bamazire okukwatwa kandi akaire kandi bakulindirwa ha polisi eya Masindi.
Wakutemba murundi